All right, folks, I'm here at the Meritage home here in Georgetown, Texas, just north of Austin, about 20-30 minutes. And we're going to tour their model home, and then we're going to tour one of their inventory home that's ready to go on the market. I have connections here with the builder here at Meritage Home. They're offering incentives that are quickly going away because as competition pick up, more and more people are looking at new construction homes, and these incentives are going away quickly. So reach out to me, your Austin Realtor, using a number down below, so I can help you get into these homes as soon as possible. And now let's take a look at the bigger floor plan that they have right here. This is the Reynolds floor plan. It has 2852 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and a 2-car garage. This is one of their larger floor plans. This is a huge floor plan, and if you're interested in this floor plan, be sure to reach out to me so I can get you the latest on its pricing and incentives available. Some of the incentives I've been getting or I've been seeing is that there are interest rate buy down, and there are covering your closing costs and title policies. Those incentives are very limited, and it's going away quickly because competitions are heating up here in the Austin market as interest rates go down. So be sure to reach out to me as soon as possible. And now let's take a look at the next model home. All right, now we're here at the Congaree floor plan, which is a smaller or medium-sized floor plan, 1,500 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And let's take a look at this beautiful property right now. As I mentioned, Meritage home here in Georgetown, great community. Morningstar community has 3 pools, 3 pavilion, dog parks, trails. We can take a look at them as we tour this community, but this is a fantastic deal going on. Incentives are going away. They are running out quickly because competitions are heating up. I even heard that there are homes here getting multiple offers So things are going out quickly. So if you're interested in learning more about the latest incentives and pricing on the homes here, be sure to reach out to me. I use the number in the description box. And now let's go take a look at one of the ready to go inventory home that's almost completed. So you can take a look at it as well. And I do want to say that typically when you see a model home, you want to be sure that those are the best upgrades that's available in the community. Those are has the highest upgrade, the best quality of work. So typically I like to tour a community. I like to tour one of the ready to go inventory homes that's on the market, so we can get a look at, okay, what's it like to live in this place without all of the fancy, beautiful looking upgrades that the builders are providing. And as I mentioned before, homes like this are going to the market and the incentives are quickly going away because the builders are seeing a lot more competitions. I have a relationship with the sales rep here. They're still offering some incentives, but they're limited and quickly going away. So reach out to me using the number in the description box below so I can get you into this place as soon as possible before the competition start picking back up. We see that incentives are going away because the interest rate, the mortgage rate is coming down. And as I mentioned before, some homes are seeing multiple offers, even in this new build community. So that's surprising. And this place is in Georgetown. And let's see if we can find like a smaller model home, a smaller home that's on the market so we can get an understanding of the floor plan there. And then we're going to take a look at the local community amenities. All right, I did find a floor plan that's similar to the smaller floor plan here. So this should be the 3B, 2B floor plan right here. Let's take a look right now. And now let's go take a look at the local community or local amenities and see that there are dog parks and trails so we can enjoy and experience this community. This is a community that's still being built right now. Well, this is the part that's being built right now. This community is almost finished, the Morningstar community. I'm here at one of the amenity centers that's still being built in this area, but right now, let's take a look. This is gonna be a pool, it's gonna be a pavilion, and it's gonna have a trail here as well. This is under construction. It's going to be finished around March of this year. But then we can take a look at one of the completed amenity sections, so you can get a feel of the neighborhood. But this is very, very, very close to the home that we just toured, just in that area. So it's very, very close. Now we're on the trail that's completed. This is one of the local amenities. Let's take a look right now so you can see. Here at the nature trail that's completed, you can see that map right here. This whole community is still undergoing through construction, but it's in its final phase. This whole area has been under development for quite a while, with builders coming and going and building different sections of the area. But now let's take a look at this amenity, this trail map. This is one of the completed areas. And let's take a walk right here. This section is about 2-3 minute driving distance. If you want to walk, it's probably about 10-15 minutes walking distance from the area that we were just in. So it's very, very close. It's basically in the same Morningstar community. And as I mentioned before, in this area, or in the Austin home area, mortgage rates have been dropping. Competitions are heating up. New construction homes with great incentives, with great floor plan in good areas are seeing heavy competition. So if you're interested in getting a home now, January, February, and March are the best time, because these are the slow season of real estate. Even in the slow season of real estate, we're seeing competitions heating up because people, they've been hungry. They've been waiting on the sideline, and they want to buy a home here in Austin. And now is probably one of the best times because there is competition, but it's not insane level. The mortgage rates are already pricing in multiple rate cuts at a very affordable level. So now it's probably one of the best times to get into the home if you want to buy in 2024. And new construction homes still have some incentives going on. So be sure to reach out as soon as possible so you can get and so you can understand what the latest incentives are before they go away. All right, I'll enjoy the view of this community, and I'll see you next time.